Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It is cold outside today. 48 degrees and cloudy, but nonetheless, we got Dark Bro F. Aw, Pudgy. First, second, Pudgy. Dark Bro, Pudgy. What's going on? Dark Bro Peter, how you doing? John J, Nick F, good morning to you. Frank, we got John J saying, thank you for the super chat. John J says, Dark Bro dilly with the little licking stick. Oh no authorized hydration on that one. It's just a licking stick. John J, I got you, man. You peel that banana back, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much for the super chat, John J, and the ode to Dark Bro being first there. I like it, John J, man. Thank you very much. Peter, what's going on? John J, Peter, Richard. We've got Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, John J, Peter, Richard, Dark Bro, Peter, Light Bro, Dark Bro, Light Bro, Dark Bro, Light Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Richard. All of you guys. Thank you very much for being in here. Let's see what we got going on the market right now. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, back up to almost $5 per share. It is up 19.63% at the moment, sitting at $4.84.5. On news that there may not be a settlement, the judge denied the settlement up to this point. They can't lift the status quo. They are going to be going to court, ladies and gentlemen. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.09. GameStop sitting at 22.59. Bitcoin sitting at 28,131. Loving this range. I am telling you, Bitcoin is loving this range between 29,000 and 27,000, but really even tighter, sitting here at 28.4 down to 27.8. It is consolidating. We've got the Nasdaq up 0.5% today, going nicely up to 12,059.71 points. GameStop 22.59. BR Therapeutics 280. AMC sitting at 485. Ethereum 18.75. Shiba 11.09. Dogecoin 9 cents. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 28,135. Molinado 10 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Sundial sitting at $1.50. CEI $1.52. SPY sitting at 4.08. We've got BBIG 25 cents. Highcroft Mining 46 cents. Netflix sitting at 3.38. QQQ 3.17.55. Trending nicely all morning, following this little line right here. I don't know if we need to leave this line on there. This is the daily. Yeah, that's the daily trend right there. Trying to come back up. And get back up above that daily trend, retesting resistance, or will retest resistance around that 318 mark. And we've got Ape, of course, down to $1.56 right now. Ape coming down and touching $1.46 this morning, dipping down yesterday all the way down to $1.35. But touching $1.46 this morning and barcoding right now at $1.56. Come back down here to Bitcoin and watch that bad boy play it out. As I said before, fast fingers, baby. Nice, Dark Bro. Number 2 on the like button. Thank you very much, Richard, for being number 2 on the like button. Talk about messing with my head. My wife's oh my goodness. Light Bro, good luck to you, my friend. Hopefully you make it out alive. Looking like Terra doing their first burn on LUNC tomorrow. Paul, man, I'm sitting here like this. Yeah, I saw some stuff about that on Twitter this morning. And I don't know how much it's going to be, right? But it's going to be a percentage of the overall volume. They have had a decent amount of volume, man, because they've ran from about 4 cents to 15 cents. So they've gone up nicely in value. So hopefully they've had some decent volume that was able to kick them up there, a few $1 million, maybe tens of millions of dollars in volume, and they're able to burn a lot of Terra Luna Classic because of it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says Dark Bro is first. Dilly, only 9,995. The good news is, well, I don't really know. I think you got a lot less than that because the last number you sent was 9,987. So you might be at 9,986 there, Pat. You're adding 10 back to the wall, man. Take one down, pass it around. 9,986 left on the wall. Oh, man. That authorized hydration is definitely the way to start the stream. Whoa, where'd I go? Pat, thank you very much for that super chat. Thank you very much for using Streamlabs. Sideswiping the YouTube fees. Loving it, man. Thank you very much for that super chat, Pat. Morning, bros. Good morning to you, Dark Bro. Gotta love California, the only state doctors report seizures to the DMV so they can take your license. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, you gotta love it, dude. You got. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. I don't know the severity of a person's seizures, whether or not they. I guess if you're prone to having seizures, maybe it is in your best interest and everybody else's best interest if you either drive responsibly or whatever. But yeah, light, bro. That's what happened, man. What happened to doctor-patient confidentiality? You know what I mean? Now you're getting reported to the state, dude. Well, I guess the only option for you is to leave California. Light, bro. Leave California. You'd be pleasantly surprised by Ohio. We have snow, too, since I know you like snow. Long-term retirement portfolio move. Deposit for, $400. SCHD sold 800 from 12.17% to 4.51% of the long-term retirement portfolio. SVOL bought 55 shares, $1,200. 11.5% of the long-term retirement portfolio. Annual dividend, $196.50. Total long-term retirement portfolio annual dividend up from, that's a nice increase. Up from $580 to $742. All dividends to be reinvested. Yeah, that's actually pretty good there. Because, Frank, you're averaging, I know your portfolio right there is right around that 10 mark. So, dude, you're averaging a 7.5% annualized dividend on that portfolio. That is sick, dude. Being able to diversify and have that 7.5% dividend is awesome. Frank's doing something right. Patrick, thank you very much again for the super chat. Patrick says, sorry, I thought reminting was in. Oh my gosh. We can remint if you wanna, but you don't have to do it. So reminting is not in. Ladies and gentlemen, we get 9,986. Everybody hates reminting, Pat. Don't do it. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. And thank you very much for not reminting, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness, don't remint anything ever. If the US dollar fails, could a coin like Luna replace stable coins like USDC? Oh, let's see. Yes. So I'm going to say yes to that statement. What I will say, though, is that's unlikely, okay? Right now, a dollar is a dollar. We understand that. But a dollar fluctuates, so it's a little bit different. It's kind of that concept of 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin. People have a very difficult time understanding that 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin because everything is viewed in terms of US dollars or your base fiat currency. So, for example, when somebody says 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin, yeah, dude, but 1 Bitcoin today is $28,000. Next week, it could be $15,000. See what I already did there? I brought that Bitcoin back to US dollars. Yeah, but 10 years ago, Bitcoin was $1. Now it's $28,000. 1 Bitcoin is 1 Bitcoin. But everybody's got this mentality of what is it worth in US dollars. When you're looking at a US dollar, US dollars fluctuate too. But everybody always thinks 1 US dollar is 1 US dollar. That's not hard to get around. That's the base mentality of everybody. But 1 US dollar sometimes against the euro equals $1 or 1.10 euros. Sometimes it equals 0.90 euros. Sometimes it equals 1.5 euros. Sometimes it equals 0.80 euros. And you could do that against every other currency that is out there. On top of that, we've got inflation. So the price of a dollar is not stable, but people always view it as dollar. Therefore, your USDC is actually volatile. But because people always think about it in terms of dollars, it's 1 for 1. Terra Luna Classic is not stable. The same way a dollar, this whole point is, the same way a dollar is not stable. But if it was chosen as the currency to be used, then of course, yes, USDC could be backed by the Terra Luna Classic that is out there. An algorithmic stablecoin. USDC or USTC could be backed by the stablecoin there. So there is the possibility of that happening. It would just take an extreme mental shift from what we currently have, though. So, just thinking out loud, how screwed are we in crypto? Like a little or possibly a lot. Maybe gains coming, or smack grandma and throw grandpa's war medals in the river kind of bad news. Hoping for the best. Yeah, John Jay, it's going to be somewhere in between there, man. I'm probably not going to smack my grandpa, even if crypto is hit very hard. But I do think we're facing some stuff that, would tempt you to smack your grandpa, throw his war medals in the river, and walk away. I do think that we really are facing that kind of crypto change here in the U.S., okay? And it will affect the prices. But that mentality of one Bitcoin equals one Bitcoin, it is really going to become evident when we move, and I'm not saying if, when we move over to CBDCs, it is really going to be evident that a Bitcoin is worth a Bitcoin because your US dollar just became the 100% control mechanism that they needed. Dang, bro, sorry to hear that. Me too. Talking about Light, bro. Another thank you to Pat for the green name. Paul. Nice, man. Coming in with a thank you on Pat. Pat, man, thank you very much for throwing those green names out there. And I love the fact that Paul is thanking you again for that green name. Beautiful, man. Safety thing, but has a massive effect on life. Yeah, Rich, I would imagine, dude. I would imagine. Same deal in California, too. And I don't know anybody that really has seizures like that. But I think you could kind of determine whether or not you should be driving. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I get it. If you have a seizure once every 5 years, I don't know. Soon the doctor's going to be telling the FBI their patients aren't paying taxes. Roulette wheel, you're probably not wrong on that one. That's why don't tell your doctor anything, man. Bro, hello. 007 M. James! What's going on, man? Glad to have 007 is 2 days in a row, man. I'm glad to have you back, M. James. I love it. Who got it? Who got what, Pudgy? First, it was Dark Bro. It was Dark Bro, man. Dark Bro got it. I'm sorry, Pudgy. I'm sorry. Let's see. Dang. Good. Went down 750 today, but still it's 2028.65. Good? Is good a stock? Is that what we're talking about? I don't know what we're talking about. I don't know what we're talking about going down 750. Clibber owes me a Bitcoin. M. James. I'll give you a Bitcoin if Bitcoin gets outlawed and it drops down to like $10. I'll give you Bitcoin for sure, because I'm going to be buying them all up at that point, man. I'm going to be buying them all up. That's a fact. Hey, bro, where's Loop? Let's check it out, man. Gold. Oh, gold. Oh, it's like good. No, good is not at 750. It's not there. On average, I have 2 seizures a day. Now, Pudgy, I'm dead, because I have no idea what that means, man, right? Like, are they debilitating seizures? Can you drive? Would you want to drive? Like, what does that mean to have 2 seizures a day like that? Because... And you don't have to say if you don't want to, but because I know nothing on the subject, I can't even form an opinion on it. I just don't necessarily think doctors should be telling your business to everybody else, dude. I think that whatever you got going on in your health life is between you and a doctor. Whoa! J-Bones! Thank you very much. That one caught me off guard because I didn't know. I forgot that the sound was that one. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. J-Bones, you kind of scared me with that sound. J-Bones, thank you very much. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. Boom. Eat that, YouTube. Eat that with the mustache. Yes. Thank you very much. I'm not going to lie, that sound did kind of scare me a little bit. J-Bones, dude, thank you very much for that Streamlabs super chat. Really appreciate it. And don't scare me like that again, man. Come on. We're going to go look at Loop. What's he say? It's just horrible, bro. Good morning, Clay, bro, and Clay, bro family. What's going on, Merlin? How you doing? I've seen it too many times. If I don't think I can drive through it, I won't. Well, there you go. So, Pudge, you kind of know what's going on, right? You kind of know what's happening or whatever, and then you can make that decision. See, like, I didn't even know that you could make that decision. You read about AMC not being in a bull run last time. Good call. Now, is it possible, Joseph? It is possible, man. But the next thing, I'm doing a video on it tonight, so you can watch that for a little bit further of an outlook, I guess, if you want. But settlement is going to be bad for AMC. The judge saying no settlement. I actually don't know what that's going to do, okay? I don't know if it's going to lead to further gains because AMC doesn't face additional dilution and an ape isn't going to be converted and give control of AMC to the hedge funds. So I'm not sure what a no settlement by the judge is going to result in, but I do know that if the conversion does take place, it's going to be bad news for AMC. We saw it when the settlement came to be. AMC tanked in price. Today, we're seeing AMC soaring in price because the judge blocked the settlement. So the market is obviously telling us settlement, bad. No settlement, good. Conversion, bad. No conversion, good. For AMC, it's the opposite for ape. So think of it the exact opposite for ape if you want. Going back out here to check out Loop, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what Loop Network is doing. Loop Network down another 12% today, Dark Bro. I don't know if you jumped in yet or not. Ooh, down 12%, yeah, up to 15 cents. But if you look at this daily here, man, already making a decent bounce. So Loop has dipped down to 11 cents per coin, already back up a 50 stinking % gain. This is a volatile coin, man. Curling back over the last couple of minutes here, but dipping down to 11, already making a 50% gain there. And if you're coming to the 3-month chart, you can see bouncing off this little support area in here on that 11-cent mark and sitting right here at 16. So if it continues to spike down, dude, we might be seeing a cent and a half again. But nonetheless, finding some support in that 11-cent mark and bouncing back up. So even though it's down 12% of the day, it is up 50% from where it was earlier today when it spiked and bounced off that 11 cent per coin mark. So, dude, Loop Network, extremely volatile, guys. Let's see. Where are we at? Me too. Once before and once after a Brandon says anything. I know what he says. Next paycheck, I'm buying 300 billion GLON. Oh, I gotta see where GLON's at. I thought there was a Fed speech today. There very well could be. Actually, I don't know. Let's look and see if there is a Fed speech today. Come in to the Google. Let's see. All right, where are we at here? Let's see if we got a Fed speech today, guys. Anywhere. I don't see a Fed speech today. I don't see a Fed speech anywhere today. And I'm actually surprised that we've got some news, some economic news being released tomorrow on Good Friday. The market's not even open on Good Friday, so I'm surprised that they're reporting these tomorrow as opposed to today. But I don't see anything on the calendar in terms of a Fed speech today. And I don't see anything on the calendar in terms of a Fed speech tomorrow. Now, could be different, but I don't see anything slated for today or tomorrow. So we might be able to escape this week with no huge declines, thanks to our old buddy Jerome. Let's see. I know when they're coming. Starts with an uncomfortable deja vu weird feeling. If it feels a little more intense, I will fit that. Gotcha, Pudgy. Well, dude, listen, if that's the case for you, it's probably a similar situation for other people. You know, I wouldn't know because I don't have them, so I wouldn't know what that feels like. But obviously, if you have them twice a day, you can pretty much see it coming. Terraport Finance just keeps going up. Forex in the pre-sale only had like $50 in it. Just keep letting it ride. The franchise, yes, dude. I don't know what pre-sale you bought in, whether it was like 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 cents when you ended up buying in. But yeah, dude, I saw it at 15 cents earlier today. I don't know where it's at right now, man, but where is it at right now? If you're rolling with 3 to 4x gains, you are killing it. Now, I will say this, though, and you're going to make your own decision, franchise. I'm not going to make it for you, right? Because, you can still decide if taking $200 is worth taking $200 and so on. Typically, these projects that build around another coin, they typically fade out a couple of weeks after they're launched. So the excitement usually, you can look at Lunatic's token. You can look at all of the tokens that built up around Shiba Inu coin. They typically fade out very quickly. So, even if you're only making $200 on it, it might be a decision that you want to take half, you want to take some of it, you want to take all of it, and potentially get back in a little bit later. But just look at some other coins for some reference. You've been around a while, you know this stuff. Lunatic's token, and I can't even think of some of the other ones right now that we're building up around Terra Luna Classic and Shiba Inu coin and such. But they get the community's attention for a couple weeks, maybe a month or so, and then they start to fade out a little bit. Terraport could be different if they are legitimately building a decentralized super app, but if history repeats itself, you don't want to be caught with Terraport, just somebody dumping and then the price just rips all the way down to 1 cent and you lose those gains. Don't do that part. Let's see. Not yet. I'm going too soon. There you go, Dark Bro. I'm going to dollar cost average it just in case we go back to 3 cents. Dark Bro, not a bad strategy, man. Instead of getting in right now, and I don't know if you're talking about Glon anymore. I don't think you're talking about Glon. Glon's not at 3 cents. You're probably talking about Loop Network, right? Not a bad strategy, just in case it does continue to come back down. You don't jump in and buy everything at that 10, 11, 15 cent mark that we're trading in between today. And you've got some extra money that you can go in there and continue to dollar cost average in. AMC to pool to. Ahoo! Yes, Newfo, man. AMC is up today. AMC is up on the news that the settlement between Adam Aaron and Pocket, whoever Pocket is, thank you very much for the no ignore super chat. Pocket, I will never ignore you, but I do not know who you are. Will you make yourself known? I do not know. If you do make yourself known, I will not ignore you in this chat or in the Streamlabs. Pocket, man, thank you very much for the super chats. Whoever you may be, absolutely appreciate it. And thank you very much for using Streamlabs. Guys, you don't have to send a super chat, clearly. I appreciate everybody who does. And whether it's coming through YouTube or it's coming through Streamlabs, the gratitude is absolutely there. On either one, I know YouTube's a little bit more convenient, but YouTube takes fees and Streamlabs does not. PayPal takes fees out of the Streamlabs one, but there are a lot less fees than what YouTube takes. So thank you very much, Pocket, for the no ignore. And Newfo, I haven't seen this one in a while. You guys know what time it is. Time to get hard. Like a diamond. Newfo, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? You better be hard like a diamond. With a day like today, you gotta be hard like a diamond. Newfo, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. My goodness. I love it. Maybe I'd take half and let the rest ride, try to buy back in. Franchise, oh, wow, 18 cents. 18 cents is not bad at all. Look, dude, it's on its hype right now. I don't watch it closely. Obviously, I didn't even know what price point it was at. But, you look at Paul Swap, you look at all these other coins. Everybody always wants, and you start to believe and convince yourself that it's going to go up forever. And it never does. Taking half or just taking your $50 back out that you invested and leaving the other 150 to ride, whatever your strategy, you've got nothing to lose at that point. So whatever your strategy is, dude, just don't let it come back down and you start to lose that $50. There's no sense in losing that $50. So even if you want to let it ride and, put a stop loss on or whatever, it's at 5 cents, 4 cents where you would have gotten in, go ahead and do so. But every coin that has been built around another coin has had an amazing start, and then they fall off pretty quickly. So I do think that you could buy back in. That's my opinion. Obviously, make up your own decision. Don't go on what I say ever. Just let it inspire you to look at those coins and make a decision for yourself. Next Fed announcement is May 2nd and 3rd. Thank you very much. Missing link. And that is the interest rate decision, correct? That would have been 6 weeks from their previous decision. May 2nd, May 3rd, which means they're going to have their meeting on May 2nd. They're going to have the interest rate decision announcement and press conference on May 3rd. Market expects a 0% increase. The market expects the interest rates to stay the same during that next Fed meeting. So we're going to have to see. They could either blow all of our minds, or they could lend some confidence back to the market. So hopefully we get it. I'm going to do the cost from now-ish. And if it does break back down through 10 cents, 6 cents, and 3 cents. There you go. Dark Bro's got his entries ready. I like it. Dark Bro, that leads. Listen, man. When you start to make some emotional decisions, it'll cut you out of the game. So I like the fact that you've got your entries on point, targeted, and ready to go, dude. I think Crow's a good bet. 80 million users, CFTC regulated. Last run, I believe, there were less than 1 million users on this on Crypto.com. Betting it runs between $1 to $3. Lonnie, I would agree, okay? Now, $1 to $3 is a very lucrative price point, but that's not impossible. I think you're dead on, though, when you are looking at the next run, okay? And the next run is going to be heavily dependent on these cryptocurrency exchanges and how many people are signing up. Right now, we are seeing a massive drop in volume, a massive drop in users. And this is why, Crypto.com coin, Kronos, whatever you want to call it, is down. BNB is down. KuCoin is down. All of these coins are down, man. And that is one of the reasons that the exchanges are down, of course, because the amount of users are down, and that's the reason that the coins are down. So during the next bull market, when people are signing back up, when people are willing to buy crypto, when the SEC and the CFTC allow people to be buying crypto and allow these exchanges to grow, I don't think you're that wrong, man. I would give it a $1 price point as well. Let's see here. We want the Chipmunk Cam back. Yeah, 007, we can get the Chipmunk Cam back, actually. So starting over the last weekend, Chipro has been eating. I don't know if I showed you. I don't think you were in here. Let me show you, man. I'm going to pull this up. Chipro came back. He jumped in the house last week, actually. He started jumping in the house. Actually, this was this morning. You guys can see, this was this morning. So he was eating on the step this morning. And then, I'll show you this one. When was this? 2 days ago? I think this was 2 days ago. Chipro jumped in the house 2 days ago. And then, what do we got? I don't even... Oh, I mean, I took a couple other pictures, but they're basically the same ones. It's dangerous to get that Chipmunk camera back because now I'm upstairs, and if I let the dude inside while I'm up here and he's down there, I gotta just make sure that I can keep track of him in case he starts to do anything wild, or in case two chipmunks jump in the house while I'm up here. I can't have Chipro chasing some other chipmunk around the house while I'm upstairs and he's downstairs. Was driving from earlier. I did the math. Long-term retirement portfolio dividend is currently 7.06%. Very nice. Also, bought back into Shiba at 1100 target is around 1175. Frank, man, very nice. And I do believe a nice little bounce in Dogecoin or a nice little bounce in Bitcoin will take Shiba Inu coin to 1175. So Frank having some success swing trading Shiba Inu coin there. And I'm telling you right now, dude, that's a nice average dividend percentage there. 7.06%. Frank, that is solid. Let's see. Is CBDC down with OPP? Asking for PUBG. The CBDC is down with nothing, man. You will be down with the CBDC, John Jay. You will be down and you will abide by its rules. Can you, honestly, guys, can you just imagine an equitable world where your money expires if you don't spend it when they want to stimulate the economy? Can you imagine an equitable world where, wow, dude, you earn more than $80,000 a year? No, thank you. 50% of everything that you make over $80,000 a year gets redistributed to those who make less than $20,000 a year, bringing their average up and bringing your average back down. Why? Because your CBDC wallet can't hold it. It's an automatic smart contract that does whatever, whenever they want it to do. Listen, that's just the fact of the matter. It could be even worse than that. Elon Musk has a couple $100 billion net worth. Not anymore, man. Let's redistribute it. No man should have that much money. Let's take it and give it to those who don't. Or even worse, let's take it and give it back to the government. Oh, God, dude. Oh, yeah. Stress me out and call me Billy. I would be extremely happy with just $1 Crow. Hey, the franchise. I really do believe $1 Crow is possible. I don't think that that's an impossibility at all. They hit it before in a bull market. If we get people to sign up like they were signing up before, and cryptocurrency exchanges are not ruined by the SEC and CFTC, I think $1 Crow is going to happen again. I mean, it's a matter of these exchanges growing. I can tell you guys from experience, these exchanges and even Webull, nobody's signing up for them right now. You know, I do a little pitch in every video. I talk about KuCoin and Binance. I talk about Webull. If you guys brand new to investing, and people do need to know, if you are brand new, if it's the first video you've ever watched, you do need a place where you can buy and sell stocks and crypto. But nobody's signing up right now. The last year, basically year and a half, has been obscenely low, signups when it comes to stocks and or crypto. So that right there, it's almost like insider information. I can see how many people are signing up because you're using affiliate links, and it is extremely low, dude. There's less than 5. Like, there's less than 5 a month. So there's extremely low growth for these brokers and for the cryptocurrency exchanges right now. Dark Bro, I got you. 2 seconds. And the $3 one apparently needs, that's a peach. I got you. And the $3 one apparently needs a sound as well. So thank you very much for pointing out that $3 one. But yeah, dude, we're not going to see a massive rally in the price of BNB if Binance isn't growing. Crow's not going to rally if Crypto.com is not growing. We need, if KuCoin's not growing, KuCoin, the coin, is not going to grow as well. So definitely something that we need to get fixed there. I got to fix this really quick, and then I'm going to throw Dark Bros Peach back up in the chat. All right, alert box. Yes. Donation? Yes. Variation? Yes. Peach? Yes. Edit? Yes. What happened to all the audio files? All right, does this one sound good? No, we already used that. That's a good peach. All right, cool. All right, that's a good peach right there. Save those settings. Yes. And now, let's see if it works. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the You got a little peach and the requested. I think now is a perfect time for some Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the King Turkey. Now's a good time for it, man. You got to make sure these people don't fall asleep on us because only 37 people in here. You need to wake up with that King Turkey. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for that super chat through Streamlabs, man. Appreciate all you guys using Streamlabs like that. And sideswiping those YouTube fees. I love it. Dark Bro got a peach and a King Turkey. Very nice, Dark Bro. Very nice. Hey, bro, what do you think of Troika? Oh, Troika's that stock. Dude, I literally just unbuttoned my shirt. I didn't even try. Troika is, we'll look at it in a second, man. I think it's probably already fading in terms of popularity, and I doubt that you see another spike back up. So I'll look at that, but I wanted to say, what did I saw? Neckbeard. Yeah, you like the neckbeard, don't you, man? The neckbeard is, I'm almost connecting again. So I gotta get down in there and shave some of that off, because I already got the neck collar coming on once more. Chris, hello everyone. Made some taco salad today. I had taco salad for dinner last night. For lunch, if we slaughtered it, hope everyone is good. Chris, I am good, man. Yes. And I did make taco salad for dinner last night. I had cut up some spinach, made some ground beef, some onions, and tomatoes, and cheese, dude. It was pretty good taco salad. What you want, baby? I got it. What you need? Do you know? I got it. All I'm asking for is a little respect. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Tell me what you mean to me. Respect. Scream, yeah. I know I messed that up, but I did have the little Tigger laugh at the end, so hopefully that was okay, John J. Claybro's gonna kill that song. I can feel it. No, I didn't kill it, man. I didn't kill it. I should have killed it, but I actually killed it in a bad way. All right, Clay, they will come back when prices go back up. Yeah, Lonnie, I agree. Unless, okay, I'm gonna add the stipulation on there. Unless, of course, they're not allowed. You know, if the United States rolls out a CBDC, and the United States feels like crypto is a threat, are we gonna be allowed to buy cryptocurrency? You know, it seems wild to think the answer is no. We're not gonna be allowed to buy cryptocurrency. But think of everything else that's been outlawed in the past. Why would it be any different? This is actually a threat to the sovereign government. It's a threat to the sovereign fiat. So, you know, this would actually make sense. If they're afraid of it, it would make sense for them to try and outlaw it. So I do think that that's the rock and a hard place that we're stuck between there. Real question is how many likes we got. Probably like 5, man. I don't even want to look at the likes. But let's look at them anyway. 15 likes, man. You guys are going to make me freaking cry, dude. Hey, Chris. All well here. Busy with work. Everybody loves work. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Smash that like button, y'all, and come and get some authorized hydration. Thank you very much, Pat. For the beautiful authorized hydration, man. And I realized, like, I threw that pretty hard to this, and I wasn't looking. If I would have missed, I would have just blown up. That lava lamp right there would have been smashed. Pocket! Never ignore. Never. Pocket. Somebody needs to figure out who Pocket is, because I don't know who Pocket is, and you guys are using different names than you're using in the YouTube stream. And it's got me confused. Who is Pocket? Whoever Pocket is sitting there like this right now. I see you smiling through the computer screen. I see you smiling, your little smirk through the computer screen because we don't know who you are. We will figure it out. We will. And I will thank you. By the name of Pocket and by the name of your YouTube name, whatever it is in here. Yes, Pocket. We'll figure it out. We're going to get to the bottom of this. The Traveling Wilburys did it better. Yeah, they probably would, man. They probably would. Anybody would probably do it better than me. I am terrible at it. Patrick with 5 green names. Lonnie got a green name. Kevin got a green name. Chuck got a green name. Rising Greatness with Prince David got a green name. And GS got a green name. Guys, 37 of you just OGs in here right now. Please say thank you to Pat for throwing those green names out there. Lonnie, anybody else that's in here right now, please say thank you to Pat for throwing those green names. Everybody going to be a green name. Mr. Brian, you gotta click and enable your gift receiving. Crypto Chris, enable your gift receiving. For Profit Store, Theron. Guys, click on the thing that Pat just sent. Enable gift receiving. And then you'll probably get one the next time somebody sends it, because first come, first serve. Like if you're in here and you have the gift receiving enabled, you're gonna get a green name. If you're in here but you don't have it enabled, it's going to go to somebody else. So throw that on there, enable it. Mr. Brian says he did. Well, then you guys should definitely be getting a green name the next time if you enable gift receiving. I like it. Welcome to all of you green names. Patrick, man, thank you very much for that. And you guys, thank you very much for throwing the thank yous out to Pat as well. Extremely generous. Crypto Chris throwing it on there. Mr. Brian throwing it on there. Perfect, guys. All you guys are going to get one the next time somebody throws it out. For Profit Store says, thoughts on Dogelon Mars coin? You know what? Let's bring up Dogelon Mars real quick. For Profit. I do not own it. I have not owned it. I probably will never own it, but it is a well-known meme coin tied to Elon Musk and all of these other memes. So, it's a popular one, and it's going to be around. So let's look at Dogelon Mars real quick and kind of see where we're at. I know it's got a pretty big market cap. All right, $185 million market cap. It is basically sideways over the last month. And here's one thing that I don't necessarily like, is that yes, it had a nice rally and a nice run since the beginning of the year, basically doubling in price as Bitcoin and other coins were running up in value. So it did outpace some of the other gains in coins like Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and so on. But giving back almost all of those gains so far, it's come down to about 3,300 points. Now, if you look at the all-time, Dogelon had a very nice spike when Doge was running back in May of 2021. And then the massive bull market rally that took place in October, November of 2021 had some massive gains. I mean, you guys can look here, deleting 2 zeros, over 100xing. This is like 400x gains. And it has not dropped back down to those levels. So that's extremely important to note, is that people are holding now, as opposed to a complete sell-off right here and another rally. People are holding. They believe that you're going to see another spike up like this. Will you? I do not know the answer to that, but I do know that this is heavily correlated to the movement of other meme coins like Doge, other meme coins like Shiba Inu coin, and can absolutely spike up again because it is such a well-known meme coin tied to Elon Musk. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Besides work being busy AF, gonna be in and out for a bit. Been reading Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Freaking well-needed book for me. Well, there you go, Chris. Absolutely perfect. Dude, come in, come out anytime you want, man. You guys are allowed to do that, absolutely. Just don't ever stay gone so long that you feel like you're no longer a bro, man. Even if you guys take a week, a month, 6 months off, you are always welcome to come back in here and pick up like you never left, okay? Let me just let that be known. Don't ever think that you have been gone so long that you no longer belong. Nah, I can't. I thought that rhymed. I thought that was pretty good for a second, but no, you can't rhyme long with long. Don't do it. Rich, thank you very much for the member chat. Love the bro fam and 2 good fortunes ahead. Well, thank you very much. I see some authorized hydration in there, so I will take it. And on top of that, I see a little Nufo. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Nufo, for the super sticker. Loving it, man. I don't know why you guys like that little black cat so much, but I like it. I'm not even embarrassed to do it anymore. It's crazy, man. I'll meow for you, Nufo, any day of the week. Clay, bro, you missed a Streamlabs super. I do not want to miss a Streamlabs super, but I see it. Well, I don't know if it was that one right there. Let's see. Oh, I did. Pat, I'm going to come back to you in 2 seconds. I'm going to go in order here. I did miss this one because this idiot's just sitting here talking. Did it make a sound? It did not make a sound. We got to get a sound on this one. Hold on. Hold, please. I don't know where all the sounds went. 2. Ooh, the unicorn. I like it. I don't know where all my audio files went. That's ridiculous. Unicorn. Ooh, magic coins. That does sound like a unicorn noise to me. Yeah, that sounds like a unicorn noise to me. We're going to replay that one. Yes, Burrito, whoever the heck Burrito is. I can already feel that's a good horn right there. I can feel it. Oh, that's a king unicorn too. King unicorn with a National Burrito Day. Is it really National Burrito Day? I had no idea that it was National Burrito Day, but Burrito! Thank you very much for the Super Chat, for the Streamlabs Super Chat, Mr. Burrito, and thank you very much for the King Unicorn. Loving it. My goodness. And Pika made all of those Streamlabs stickers, guys. If you see Pika, tell her those stickers are absolutely beautiful because, well, they are. And, of course, we've got Patrick with another Streamlabs Super Chat. Patrick coming in there saying, congratulations to all the new green names. May you grab the bull by its horn, poverty by its baseballs and basketballs, and your finances be evergreen. Thank you very much. And we only have 9,984 remaining. Oh, yes. You grab those. Let me tell you something. You grab those baseballs and you grab those basketballs hard and you bounce them, baby. You do just that. Listen to Pat. Pat, man, thank you very much. Burrito, thank you very much. Now I want to know, too, can you guys change your names in Streamlabs? Because is Pocket Burrito and Burrito is Pocket, or do we have two different? We got two different strangers out there. Is it the same one? You guys can change your name every time? Now I don't know what the name of the game is here with Burrito and Pocket. You guys might be the same. You might be different. Now nobody knows. Darkbell, let's look at KTO. If the Divided States of Embarrassment releases a CBDC, it's taxation without representation and an act of war against the people. And here's the thing, Frank. Some people will view it that way, right? Some people will understand that. I honestly believe, and I'm not like trying to attack the majority of people in this statement, but I honestly believe that the majority of people in the United States will just allow it to happen, not worry about it, and just say, we believe. Like, I really do feel like the majority of people are going to be okay with the CBDC and just repeat what they hear on mainstream media. This is safer. This is germ-free. It's cashless. This is equitable. This is going to improve the finances of those who are struggling. I really do believe that the vast majority, and I know I say that, I don't know if degradingly is the correct term, but I mean, there's intentions behind it. You kind of need to wake up if we go into a CBDC era where it is not about financial inclusion. It's not about equity. It's not about any of that stuff. You can lead a horse to water, man, but you can't make him drink. And I can talk harsh about it all day long, but I guarantee you the vast majority of people continue to believe what they're told as opposed to what the reality of the situation is. So, yeah, I hope we don't get though. Burritos were my first solid food. Light bro. That actually sounds perfect, man. KTO. Let's look at it real quick for Dark Bro. KTO might get a little buy from me if it dipped back down to the all-time lows there. KTO is this coin that Queenie is promoting, and it is down pretty heavy, down 9.73% today. Let's look at a 3-month graph trying to bounce its way back down, guys. 1600 is where I'd be interested. It's already a 3x gain from there. Bouncing off this what is this, 3,700 level, curling back over now. I would be concerned if I owned it. I would be concerned that it may want to dip back down right here. And this is going to be the retest of the support at 37. And when it falls through that, you're going to be touching that 1,500 to 2,000, 150 to 200, whatever you want to call it. You know, you're going to be touching back down at these 3-month lows where we were at the beginning of the year. And basically the all-time support around that 1,500 level. So this is, I'm going to call this the Queenie spike, okay? I'm going to call this the Queenie spike here because she started to let everybody know she was promoting KTO and she was working with KTO in this area back in here, and it just rallied higher. Here's the thing, and this is, I don't know if this is illegal or not, right? Queenie has a very large following on Twitter. She's got a larger following than I do. I obviously have a larger following on YouTube than she does, but if another opportunity arose and a couple influencers or a couple people who on Twitter or YouTube or whatever you want to call them, doesn't matter, you know, if I influence you to do anything, ooh, I like the sound of that, man. That sounds like a unicorn. I can't see it right now because I got CoinMarketCap up, but I'm going to get it. The only thing I ever want to influence you guys to do is make your own decisions, right? Use your own head and think for yourselves. But if other people jumped on board, you could absolutely see a spike up like this again. If the community got involved and grew because of the influence. But yeah, man, that'd be a 10x gain right there. You could change your life forever with a 10x gain like that. And this whole time, you guys couldn't even see it. I'm looking at the screen, and you're not looking. Oh, my gosh. You weren't even seeing it. But I know for a fact you guys are changing your names now. Look at this one. Taco burrito hand. What is this? Taco burrito handkerchief? Nice. When in Rome, baby. When in Rome. And such a long name, he gets a tiny little... The unicorn's so small because he's got such a big name. Thank you very much. Taco burrito handkerchief. Now I know for a fact you guys can change your names willy-nilly on Streamlabs and do whatever you want. So, yeah, there you go. Dark Bro, thank you for letting me know, but I couldn't see the chat. I was looking at CoinMarketCap, and I was going on about KTO, and you guys couldn't see a darn thing. Oh, my gosh. Need a council of indigenous elders to use the 7-generation rule. I'm not going to lie, I don't know what the 7-generational rule is. KTO, also the one the thief could sell his tokens in the next couple of days. I believe I am right. Liquidity from Shiba swap hold. Yeah, franchise, I don't know on that. You could be correct on that, but I have no idea, man. Look what happened to Shib when Queenie was hyping it up. Dang, man. Pudgy, you're right, man. Queenie is literally the queen, dude. What is up with Queenie's following? Queenie hypes up Shib. Boom, baby. Shib takes off to 8,800 points per coin. Okay, it fades. We get it. Things only last so long. You can only have a rally like that for a month. Queenie comes into KTO. Boom! 10x gains, man. Shiba Inu coin went from 800 to 8,800. 10x gain. Queenie touches KTO. KTO goes from 230 to 2,300. Boom! 10x gain. Fades off rather quickly. I'm going to make a bold statement here. And I'm going to say the next coin, and you guys please tag me in it if I miss it, because I don't always see Queenie's tweets. I do follow her. But you guys need to keep me on board with what Queenie promotes. I'm taking the next ride with Queenie. I'm taking it. I will take it. I'm taking the next ride with Queenie. I'm going to say that right here on live, and you guys can call me wrong. I'll lose a couple $100 on her, or I'll make a couple thousand. I'm going to take the next ride with Queenie. So you guys keep an eye on what she comes up with next, and I'm definitely riding. I'm definitely riding with Queenie on the next one. Empanada! You guys are making me hungry. Thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. Empanada coming in with another unicorn. I know for a fact, you guys, this is somebody changing all of their names. And I know it. Empanada, taco handkerchief. We got a burrito. Thank you very much for the... Thank you very much for the unicorn. Absolutely appreciate that. Oh gosh, dude. What did I do with allowing these Streamlabs? I didn't know that you guys would be able to change your name with every Streamlabs chat, man. That Streamlabs needs to readjust that situation, because you guys are gonna be sending new names every single time. I can almost guarantee it. Empanada, thank you very much for the unicorn. Absolutely appreciate that one as well. So Queenie's a hype woman. Yeah, Queenie's a hype woman. And you know what? I'm taking the ride with her. I'm taking the ride with her for sure. Let's see if Dark Bro would hurry with Bro Coin. Get Queenie to... I'll bring Queenie on. Listen, I'll bring Queenie on for sure, man. Dude, I don't even care. We can give Queenie 1% of the supply. If she's going to run it up 10x, we'll give Queenie 1% of the supply. I'm cool with that. My goodness, dude. Nice little marketing fund right there. All you need is Queenie. Forget about my YouTube channel. All you need is Queenie, and she's going to take that coin 10x. Ooh. Enchilada. No. What are you guys on? Like, did Chris come in here earlier and mention the fact that he had a taco salad, and now we just got nothing but a bunch of Mexican cuisine coming on the screen right now? Enchiladas, thank you very much. Never ignore. No ignore enchiladas. No ignore empanadas. No ignore taco burrito handkerchiefs. No ignore burritos. No ignore pocket either. No ignore anybody. Enchilada, thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. And never ignore. I will figure out who these people are someday. I don't know how I'll do it, but I will do it. Guys, Bitcoin in the bottom left. Shiba Inu coin still going up with one little purple candle, but watch your eye. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin there. Bitcoin curling back over, breaking this horizontal support that it had at 28,001, touching $28,070 right now. So not a huge decline, but Bitcoin definitely curling over. So we got to keep our eyes on that and see what happens there. Who is Queenie? Mr. Brian, Queenie was, I don't even know the best way to put it. She was a Discord moderator for Shiba Inu coin. Now, Moon Goon! We'll talk about Queenie in 1 second after I say Moon Goon! Thank you very much for the super chat. Litecoin is life, bro. Litecoin is life. And because you got the peach. Moon Goon with the peach and the Litecoin promotion. Litecoin is life, guys. Litecoin is life. Never forget it. If you don't know, I need to own some Litecoin just so I can feel like I'm a part of the gang, but I don't own any Litecoin. Maybe I'll take some of my Ethereum Classic that I've mined and trade some of that for some Litecoin, because I need to get my hands on some Litecoin. Let's see. Whose name is that? Nacho. Yeah, I don't know who it is, man. Nachos is coming next. I know it is. We got Moon Goon out there now. So Queenie was a Discord moderator for the original Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. She was, I believe, okay, the first person to ever do an Ask Me Anything for the Shiba Inu coin team back at the end of 2021. Pocket Quesadilla! Thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat, man. Pocket Quesadilla. I don't know if this is Pocket and a Pocket Quesadilla. I don't know if this is another one. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is not Franks and Beans, man. Come on, that's not some Mexican cuisine. What do we got going on there? We've got Pocket Quesadilla with a no ignore, and I will never ignore Pocket Quesadilla. And we've got a beautiful, hold on, get that horn up, man. Get it up, Clay Bro. Come on, get it. Yeah. Get it up now. There, no, hold on. We got to fix this horn. We got to. Oh, no, it's It's just a little soft. What do we do? There we go. There we go. Thank you very much for the super chat, Franks and Beans. Appreciate the King Unicorn there, and appreciate the No Ignore Pocket Quesadilla. I know for a fact you guys are making all these names up, and this is the same person. It's gotta be, man. You can bring her on a live stream Q&A, get the crowd's attention, and let her go for Queenie, do her thing from there. Yeah, Pudgy. That really is not a bad idea. That really is not a bad idea at all, man. I do like that idea. I like Queenie, right? And now that we've recognized Queenie is the reason that Shib ran. Queenie's the reason that KTO 10x'd. Queenie is the reason. I don't know what it is, man, but I'm going to let her do her thing. I'm going to let her do her thing, dude. Shoot. And I'm going to keep my mouth shut so I don't bring the price of bro coin back down. But yeah, we're going to get Queenie on it. Remember the good old days when you send Claybro a $3 bye-bye kin to the end of the live stream, and you have to remind, no ignore, the good old days, John Jay, the good old days I will never ignore. Hey, Clay, can you still talk about Troika for a second? Oh, yeah, Gregory, man. Let's look at it just real quick, dude, because it is after 1 o'clock, so we'll check this out here. I don't know the reason that Troika began to run in the first place. Okay, and I don't know the reason. It was heavily promoted on Twitter, talked about as some sort of a retail move, and it did move, okay, from 10 cents up above $1. You had your 10x gain, and since then, very quickly, just as fast as it ran up, it tanked all the way back down. Now, if you look at this stock overall, okay, it's had a few nice spikes like this, and every single time, what does it do? Drops right back down. The overall trend line is continuing to be held up here. Okay, if you look at the tops of these lines, the tops of the lines are continuing to be met. And if you look at a little bit more conservative approach, kind of in this area, even these lines are continuing on in nearly a parallel channel. Okay, touching here, touching here, touching here, touching. It didn't quite make it here. Touching here, kind of following the same pattern there, and the overall spikes go in there. This stock is most likely going to reverse split and trend in the exact same direction that it's currently trending, down. Now, that does not mean that once you get back down below this level after a reverse split, it can't go negative price. So after you go reverse split, oh, I love these sounds, man, and it comes down here, that does not mean you can't see a spike back up to this level. I wouldn't be interested in it just yet, but if you're playing for the speculative move, you could absolutely see it. But it's, I would say, only once it comes back down below this this conservative upper limit that it's got there. That's my take on Troika. I don't want to get involved with it though, and and watch it fall down 90% or whatever on me. Well, we've got Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says it's 1 o'clock. Have one for the road. Oh, I will, man. 9,983 left to go. That authorized hydration is beautiful, Patrick. Thank you very much for that. And this is a made-up word. I don't even know what that is. Chilaquiles? I don't even know what that is. I've never heard of that in my life. What is a chilaquile? This dude's making that stuff up. Guys, we're signing off now. It's past 1 o'clock. Instead of just getting your name in the chat, tell me what the heck a chilaquile is in the chat as we're leaving. If you've had it, let me know if it's good or not. If it's made up, let me know if it's made up. Get the answers in the chat right now, because I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it in my entire life. So I don't know if you guys are playing with me on that one, or if it's actually something that's delicious and I should look into it. Tell me as we're leaving. Get your names in the chat, guys. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Come back this afternoon because tomorrow is Good Friday. The markets are closed. We will not be live tomorrow on Good Friday because, of course, the markets are closed. So this afternoon going to be the last live stream before Easter. Hopefully all of you guys have a wonderful Easter weekend with your families. And of course we could wish that again this afternoon in the live stream. But just a heads up, tomorrow's Good Friday. Markets are closed. We're not going to be live. So make sure to come back this afternoon for that one. See you later, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro. Mr. Brian, see you later. Brocoin, coming soon, Mr. Brian. Light Bro, see you later. Pudgy, man, enjoy it. John J, meow. Dark Bro, see you later, man. Peace out to you, the franchise. Pizza out, baby. Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro. Don't be so salty. I will go to bed sometime. No idea. Rich, man. Me neither. Dark Bro, see you later. It tastes like chicken. I don't know, man. Chili Killies. We like chili Killies, baby. Light Bro, enjoy it. Pudgy, see you later. Bender, peace out to you. Later, burritos. Who's burrito? Me? You? It's a burrito. Is it really? I don't know, Mr. Brian. It could be. You could be getting me. Teddy to you as well, Pudgy. You guys, John J. Peace out of the diamond-handed teddy bears, baby. All of you guys know what time it is. New foe! It's time for a... Thank you very much, Nufo. Hasta la vista, roulette wheel. Nufo to pool too. Ahoo, Nufo, man. Thank you very much. Soft shell taco. Thank you very much for the never ignore soft shell tacos. Dude. Now, soft shell tacos I have had before. Soft shell tacos are good tacos. I could eat an abundance of soft shell tacos. Soft shell taco, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. And Nufo once again, man. Nufo to Puto. Ahoo! Thank you guys very much. Nufo, man. Shout out to you. Roulette wheel, Pat. It looks good. I hope so. Nufo, AMC to Puto. Backyard, man. Enjoying your PS5. Hey, if anybody wants to play PS5 with Back to the Future 99, make sure you guys hook up, play your games together and have fun. Pudgy, Nufo, Pudgy, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.